Hello world, welcome to codingscientist.com. We are on lesson number 16. Alright guys, we are coming a long way, starting from basic program to little bit advanced we are getting into. Alright, in this project, lesson number 16 or project number 16, we are going to probably look at something called spell corrector. All right, so what exactly is the spell corrector? It's again guys, it's just about 8-9 lines of code. It's a very simple code, very simple logic, but this spell correctors plays a major role in several aspects. So this is what the code is all about. So if you look at the code, it's pretty simple, right? Now, in machine learning, spelling correction and spell checking is a well known and a well studied problem statement, especially in the natural language processing (NLP). In this particular project of spell corrector, you will learn about a very basic machine learning project on spelling correction with Python programming, right? This particular line of code does ton loads of magic, of course. So correcting spelling mistakes is an integral part of writing in modern world. Whether it's a part of testing a phone or sending an email or writing a large document or searching for information on the web, spell correction is very important. And remember guys, entire machine learning or AI or your deep learning works on data, right? Without data, all those AI and Ziffy words does not exist, but the data has to be meaningful with perfect spellings, right? That's where you get the actual real time output. Modern spelling correctors, of course, they aren't that perfect. Indeed, there are some automatic error corrections in popular source of fun, but all those things are very ambiguous and stuff like that. Spelling correction is often viewed from two different angles. Non-word spell check is the detection and correction of spelling mistakes and result in non-words. In contrast to the other side, in real world, spell checking involves detecting and correcting misspells, right? Even if they accidentally result in a real English word. Now, when I say English word, that's because I'm using English word in Python code. You may opt for different kind of languages as well. Languages means English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Tamil, French, German. There are ton loads of languages. You may use any of those. In the future lessons, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, this can come from typological errors of real world errors like insertion or deletion or transpositions and kind of thing, which can happen either accidentally and that produces a real word, or from a cognitive errors where the writer substituted the wrong one. There are possibilities, right? However, it is possible to use the noisy channel to find the appropriate candidates for every word and the user type and rank those corrections which are probably the original intention, which we can do ton loads of things, guys. Anyways, so let me just run this code and we can take it forward from there. Let me just right click, run this 9 lines of code and see the magic what happens. Run Python file in terminal. And there you go. Corrected words are data science machine learning. So the logic here is, guys, let me just reduce the size of the terminal. So if you see the result here, the data science corrected words are data science machine learning. But if you see the code input what I had given here, it's a purposefully intended wrong spelling. It's science, SCENCE, right? It's a wrong spelling. Instead of machine learning here, I put machine learning or learning, whatever it is, right? It's purposefully I did it just to make this code work. Now, this code corrects this particular spelling and throws the correct output. Can you see on the terminal? Data science, machine learning, right? Same way, we can enhance this particular code in a much larger way. You can build an app as well using Tkinter and a couple of other buttons and couple of other logics and definitions and functions. We can build this as an app itself. I'm going to show you in the future video, in the near probably next 10-15 videos, I'm going to show you how to modify this and build your own app. All right, guys, it's getting interesting, and I am pretty much excited to walk you through all this line by line code, how it works. Do reach out to me, do message me, do call me. I'll be happy to take a one on one session with you and train you folks. All right, see you then. Bye bye.